Want your site to be cleaned before or after the construction, but not sure where to look? The answer is right here. Clean Maestro Site Cleaning Services. With a team of experts, Clean Maestro provides top-notch site cleaning and cleaning services across Cochin and its suburbs. We have extensive experience working with all types of topographies and residential lots. Services provided are site cleaning, for precise measure of the site to enable the engineers to prepare a project proposal and sketch engineering plan. Weeding, cleaning out of all the unwanted flora. Debris removal, removing decaying organic substances and thrown out waste. Demolition services, demolition of old buildings. Clean Maestro undertakes demolition works operated with latest machinery and well-trained skilled workers. Demolition is carried out adhering to safety standards for protecting neighboring structures. Debris waste removal. The services include carting away of demolished building waste along with clearing of its foundation, adhering to safety standards and in an eco-friendly manner. Lopping, topping and uprooting of trees. Residential and construction land clearing services. We take care of lopping and topping of trees in residential area or construction site that block avenue and electricity lines with utmost care, keeping safety standards. Well, borewell, tubewell. Groundwater survey. Our experts assist the customer in deciding the borewell point. Driller services. Skilled workers drill well or borewell or tube well as per customer requirement or interest for the in-house water availability for construction. Water quality assessment services. Water test lab services. Water samples from construction sites are collected and tested in our testing lab and assures its suitability for construction purposes. Water quality parameters such as turbidity, dissolved salts, heavy metal content will be assessed precisely. Drainage cover slab construction. Well-engineered construction of cover slabs for covering drainage channels in front of the site so as to ease the entry and exit of loaded vehicles carrying equipment or materials. Temporary toilet. For the healthy sanitation of construction workers, we provide good quality temporary toilets. Site shed. We have a range of temporary sheds for construction sites that provide space for office for engineers, storage of tools and materials, and testing labs. Boundary protection. Boundary fencing services. We provide services to cover all boundaries of construction site at a height of 10 feet so as to prevent trespassing and to protect the neighboring properties from dust. Rainwater system. Recharging unit. Rainwater harvest is an essential part of a house. We provide services regarding the construction and maintenance of quality rainwater systems. Protect vacant property. Clean up your vacant property. We offer timely maintenance of your unoccupied land by clearing weeds, plant cover, trees, and accumulated wastes. Call us at 73564 30119 or visit our website www.cleanmaestro.com.